Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Archwing launcher easily. This essential gear item lets you summon your Archwing in open-world areas, making traversal much faster and more enjoyable. We will focus on the most straightforward method to acquire it, ensuring you can take to the skies without unnecessary delays. You will need to be at least Mastery Rank 5 to unlock this item, so keep that in mind as you progress. Your first step is to obtain the Archwing Launcher Segment Blueprint. You can find this blueprint in the Tenno Lab within your clan dojo. Simply fast travel to the Tenno Lab and interact with the research console. The blueprint itself will cost you 15,000 credits. If you are not yet in a clan, consider joining one with all research completed to streamline this process. Once you have the blueprint, head to your foundry to begin crafting the Archwing launcher segment. This requires several key resources. You will need 100,000 credits, 1,200 oxium, 50 iradite, and 50 groctrol. Gathering these materials might take a little time, but it is well worth the effort. The crafting process itself will take 12 hours to complete. With your Archwing launcher segment successfully crafted and installed, you can now build the actual Archwing launchers. Each batch you craft will yield 100 launchers, providing plenty of aerial mobility. For each batch, you will need 7,500 credits, 600 circuits, 50 iradite, 50 groctrol, and 30 fish oil. The crafting time for these individual launchers is only 30 minutes, getting you flying quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.